Hello, welcome back to your Tuesday Tech Tip from the Kane County ROE. My name is Phil Morris, Director of Operations and Technology. This week's tip comes from a conversation I was having with a few people last week about translation. Many of us have heard of Google Translate on the web, but now both Google and Apple have a Translate mobile app available. On the iPhone, it's known simply as Translate and is already on your phone if you have the latest operating system. When you open the app, you'll have some different options on the bottom. The first is straight translation. You can enter text in English, and the app will translate automatically to the selected language. This is good for general writing or if you need to send a text message. The second option is camera. This is nice if you have something you need translated that you're looking at, like a flyer. You can click on the camera, hover your phone over the document, and it will convert the physical text to the language you select in your image. Finally, I feel the best option is for having a conversation with someone in another language. When I do this, I have one AirPod in so I can hear the translation from the person I'm speaking. Just click on the microphone button on your screen, type into the box, and it will translate your message. Then, click the play button to have a voice dictate your translated message through your speaker. Translate options have been out for a while, but now with more development in AI, we are seeing great advances in technology. I highly recommend trying to combine this feature with some of the other tips I've talked about with the use of AirPods, including hearing aids, to see the scope of what these devices can do. If you have found this tip helpful, please take a moment to like and share on social media, and you can also view previous tech tips at knroe.org/TuesdayTechTip.
Dzięki za obejrzenie wtorkowej wskazówki technicznej.